Hey guys, we are back, and right now I'm gonna go and over to Killian. And yeah, Killian's right here at my house this time. I made a lot more videos at his house.
Lost a tooth.
Yeah, he lost a tooth.
I had to rip it out.
He lost a tooth yesterday, and I lost a tooth 2 days ago. Doesn't that seem weird? Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
No, not really.
Okay, and the weirdest part is that how I lost my tooth.
How'd you lose it?
Me and my sister were wrestling, and yeah, and well, she accidentally knocked my tooth out. Then we couldn't find it on the bed. Then we found it, and once I put it on my pillow, I got $1. And guess what?
Just $3.
Sometimes I get 5, sometimes I get 4, 3, or 2, or $1. And it's been happening often when I lose a tooth. The tooth fairy keeps on forgetting to take my tooth. Yeah, the tooth fairy keeps on forgetting to take my tooth. And Killian will be controlling it. I'm going to grab my tooth that the tooth fairy forgot to take.
Okay. This is weird.
I'll be right back.
That's my cup. And this is a pick. A fake wooden pick. Actually, it kind of puts dents in this. I mean, look. Doesn't do much. But I don't like waiting for Bri to get her tooth. It's just weird. I hear her. Hey!
Yeah.
She still lost the tooth. Okay.
See? I just proved it. Look at my tooth.
Wait. I'm taking a picture.
No, don't. Keep on doing the video.
I already took the picture, but the video is still playing. Wait.
What?
I wish you guys could see this from the view I see. I can see like the inside and it's gross.
Yeah, it is. Look inside. It's gross.
Ew.
Yeah, it's disgusting. I have no idea why this is fair. Wait a second. I've never tried this. I'm going to try and break my tooth with my teeth.
Mm-mm.
I've always wanted to do this.
Don't try it. No, come on, man.
Tastes gross.
It does. Wait, did you bite it? Did it break?
No.
Oh.
Okay, well, I don't need my tooth then.
I thought you broke your tooth.
Oh no. I'm just going to leave it out here, and maybe when the tooth fairy's passing by at night, she'll see the tooth and grab it because...
What if it's a storm? What if it washes away?
Okay,
Exactly.
I'm gonna put it here. No. Well, I don't need my tooth. You want? Okay. I'll be back.
No. Oh, God. Well. That's her dad over there. You can't see him though. He's cutting stuff. You can kind of see the tip of my house. See that brick and stuff in the palm tree? That's my house. See the bricks? All the way over there? That's my house. So, yeah. I showed them the tip of my house. Do you guys dare me to jump down there?
Killian.
If you want to be that thing, you have to have this.
You what?
To be a vampire.
I'm not supposed to be a vampire. I'm evil.
Why are you tearing them?
What? It's not broken, see?
I gave it to you. Stop doing this.
Sometimes I turn into evil Bree. Sometimes I turn into nice Bree. Well, I'm nice Bree now. And it doesn't happen often. Okay, yeah, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
And this will be the end of this video.